Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Right, so ayan, welcome sa inyo lahat. I'm Coach Martel Dagasdas, 23 years of age, and one of the Live Good pillar of actually lahat po tayo nasa pillar stage. That means sa first 2 years pa lang po. Okay, 2 years ng isang company. Okay, so you are early, no? Early ka pa para makapag-start dito. Hindi ka pa huli, right? So hindi pa po tayo nasa pioneering stage. Okay, I'm also a professional network marketer, so I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin, no? So kahit paano, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng wisdom kung paano tumingin ng isang matinong company. Nakita natin itong company na i-share ko sa inyo na pasok sa ating hinahanap, no? As kumbaga long term, and of course very generous na company. Right? And isa rin po tayo sa Youngest Speakers Bureau ng ating team sa Philippines, DMW. Right? And, you know, so been blessed din na makapag-inspire and makapag-share din sa maraming tao. Right? Ayan. And full-time na rin po tayo dito sa ating company. Okay? So wala na po tayong ibang ginagawa kundi ito po. Okay? Ito po yung ating focus. Yan. And I'm the founder of my team, Zeal Empire, and currently a Platinum rank member. So very soon, in God's will, so might na rin po natin ating next rank, which is the Diamond. So yan po, working na po yan. Alright, so actually hindi po yung presentation is not all about me, it's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain through the help of this opportunity this year. So I'm excited to share this opportunity with you, kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright, so welcome everyone to Live Good. So ito po yung company na sinasabi ko po sa inyo ngayon na, again, pinagkakaguluhan po talaga. Alright? Why? This company has over 1 million members in 13 months. Guys, wala pong ibang company nakagawa ng ganon. Okay? Sa ganong period of time. Short period of time. Right? So, itong company lang po itong Live Good. Alright? So, I'm excited na i-share to sa inyo. Okay? And before tayo mag-proceed, syempre, itatama muna natin ang ating expectations. Ayan, ano ba yung dapat nyong expect with our presentation? So, disclaimer that information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to sell, to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So wala tayong tinitrade dito or binabuy, sell, or hinohold na mga crypto. So gateway lang po yan dito ng sign in and pay out. Alright, that take note then that Live Good is not an investment company. Kung naghanap ka ng investment company, well, you are in the wrong presentation. Kasi business opportunity po ang ina-attendan nyo ngayon. Okay, this is illegal for a promoter or participant in a program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. So wala tayong pinapromise dito that within a short period of time or certain period of time is kikita ka ng certain amount. Wala pong ganun yan dito. Right? So yung results po natin dito is magbe-base po yan okay, sa effort, sa time, and sa seriousness na ilalaan natin dito. And of course, with a commitment as well. Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So, of course, later may papakita ko sa inyo or isi-share na slide na meron mga kahit paano kumita na rin dito. But again, it does not mean na in short period of time, ganun din kagad yung magiging result mo. Okay? Magva-vary po yan. Again, depende sa sa seriousness natin dito. Okay? But, of course, don't worry why. Yun po yung, direction. Okay? That is our future. So, you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business, including any activity, when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. In short, mag-research ka. Kung nagdududa ka, natatakot ka, na baka ma-scam ka, or mabudol, alright, na iniisip mo pyramiding to, or what, right? So, mag-research ka. But, might as well, since andito ka na, manood ka na lang and tapusin mo yung presentation ngayon. And I'm sure na pag tinapos mo to, hindi ka magsisisi. Okay? And magkakaroon ka pa ng idea kung paano ka magkakaroon ng time and financial freedom to this opportunity. Alright, so with that, meron muna akong ipapapanood sa inyo na short video wherein ang nagsasalita po dito ang aming CEO. Sino? Si Ben Glinsky. Alright, so kumbaga ito ay, yung isa-share niya po ngayon dito sa video na to is a glimpse or kumbaga bird's eye view on who or what Live Good is. Okay, so panoorin po muna natin itong short video ng aming CEO, si Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, so at least right now, meron na kayong konting idea kung sino at kung ano si Live Good. And of course, syempre sa ating presentation, mas i-share ko sa inyo ang opportunity na ito. Okay? Ayan. So, right now, okay, let's proceed. Ayan. So, who is Live Good? Ayan. Live Good launched in December 2022. So, currently, around 18 months na po si Live Good. And nasa Jupiter Park, Florida po ang ating pinaka-warehouse, right? So, and office. And kaya nang sinabi ko sa inyo, ayan, in 13 months time, nahit po natin ang ating first 1 million members, alright? And currently, as per I am doing this presentation, mga around 1.3 M na po tayo. So, that's why we've rocked this industry, alright? So, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. Okay, so hindi po tayo dito about overpricing mga products. So sabihin ko na sa inyo, but we're about saving people money on health products. Ayan. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, helping people, and you're not looking for get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. So ngayon, let's have a comparison muna before, kasi maraming nag-isip, maraming nagsasabi na pare-pareho lang yan. Yan, mga sinalihan ko or mga nag-invite sa akin. So before ka magsabi or mag-isip ng ganun, so let's try to compare. Ano bang meron sa mga traditional companies? Yan, direct selling companies, MLM companies. Okay, so number one, okay, this is not to bring other companies down So this is just to compare kung anong meron sa Live Good. At I mean, ano yung kumbaga pinagkaiba, okay? So, number one, may product package, all right? So, kumbaga, magsasali ka, require ka bumili ng product, and mostly dyan, ipupush ka pa na mag-multiple accounts, multiple packages, or even higher packages, bigger packages, okay? Para bigger income, right? And mostly sa mga product package na yan, or mga products dun sa package na yan, is overpriced. Aminin naman natin sa hindi. Yan, especially baka meron dito mga experience na or mga floating networker na nanonood sa akin ngayon. Ayan, so overpriced po talaga. Alright, yung mga products. And left and right pairing system. Ayan, so makaka-relate din to yung may mga experience na kailangan mo ng left and right para kumita. So pag isa lang, hindi balance wala kang kikitain. Right? And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. So, kailangan bumili ng products every single month para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo at makuha mo yung commission mo. Ganun po yun. And number 5, 50 incentive. So, income mo na ginawa pang points. Okay? Safety net kasi yan ng company. Right? Ayan, safety net. And yung points niyan, pwede daw pang redeem. Pwede mo i-redeem for like a gadget, travel. Ayan. So, ganun po yun. And number 6, limit of encoding. So, ito po yung isa sa mga, kumbaga, downside din. And ako, based on my experience, alright? As in, pag limit yung encoding, limit din yung income mo. Alright? Pati yung paglipad ng team mo, even your leaders, limit din. Diba? Hindi makalipad-lipad. Kasi nga, yun nga, limitado sa encoding, pati income limit din. Diba? Bakit? Safety net yan ng company. And, of course, may tinatawag na flush out. Right? So, yung flush out po, pagka, for example, may waiting points ka, sabihin natin, other side, sa left side mo, sabihin natin, sa right side mo, yung, sabihin natin, stronger side yung left. Pag sumobra, pag encode, yung right side mo, yung strong side, kahit ilang points pa yan, nasa left side mo, kahit ilang commission pa yan, either it be hundreds of thousands or even million yan, magbaback to zero po yan. Ano guys, experience namin yan. Minomotivate na lang namin yung leaders namin, even our team na okay lang yan kasi malakas ka na. Pero deep inside, siyempre, pinaghirapan yun tapos magbaback to zero. Dahil lang sa isang pagkakawali, di ba? So, yun po yung downside. Right, flush out. And of course, safety net yan mostly na mga companies, especially mga binary. Okay, and number 8, unexplained deduction. So, miscellaneous miscellaneous fees, processing fees. I don't know kung totoo ba talaga yan. And number 9, high attrition. Because of those reasons, marami ang mga taong nag-quit kaysa mga nag-stay. And of course, those are obsolete na po. Right now, nandito na po si Live Good. Ayan, we're in. Ito na po yung tinatawag nating new technology, new era of doing the business. Ayan, alright. So, we're in. Ayan, tingnan na natin. Bakit Live Good? Ayan, number 1, walang product package. Alright? So, hindi ka na dito pipilitin magmaraming accounts, paramihan ng package, or whatever, no? Ayan, so, wala na po yan. And number 2, wala na tayong overpricing sa mga products natin. Legit. Yes, mamaya i-share ko sa inyo, may slides po tayo ng mga price comparison as in very affordable yung mga products natin. Number 3, left and right pairing system. Di ka na mababahala. Kailangan left and right, hindi na po. Okay, basta ka lang, keep sharing, just do the business, kikita ka. Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip pa saan mo ilalagay yung tao, left and right, or right, walang ganon. And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel, wala na rin yan. Hindi ka dito pipilitin that every month bibili ka ng products. Mapupuno yung bahay mo ng mga products na di mo naman ginagamit, di ba? Yung iba na-expire na lang, o iba dito makaka-relate, aminin, di ba? O, kasi kailangan di ba? Kailangan para makuha mo yung commission and yung rank mo, ma-maintain mo, di ba? O, number 5, fifth pair incentive. O, okay, so kumbaga wala na rin yan dito, hindi ka na mababahala, baka maging points, 'di ba? Sayang naman. Yun. And dito unlimited encoding. Grabe po, unlimited as in, okay? Ikaw na magsasawa sa pag-encode, 'di ba? Oh, sa kaka-encode mo. Okay? So walang limit po as in. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po siya, 'di ba? And number 7, wala na ring flash out. Siyempre. Okay? So, hindi ka na mai-stress, di ba? Nakokontrolin mo yung encode ng team mo, ng leaders mo. Wait lang ka mag-encode. Flash. Wala na yan. Okay? So, hindi ka na mababag to zero dito ng commission. Walang ganon. And, unexplained deductions, wala na rin yan. So, very transparent po tayo. Lahat po nasa back office natin. And number 9, kabaliktaran po niyan. High stickability. Ang mga tao nag-stay because kakaiba mo po siya. And at the same time, pag naintindihan talaga ng tao yung concept nito, talaga mag-stay. Alright? And, ayan, here are some of the reasons, okay, why live good din. Okay, actually, dagdag ko kanina, less stress. Ayan, number 10, less stress. Yun, okay? Kasi nga, wala nang mga mga nagpapahirap sa mga distributor. Alright? Ito naman yung ito yung ibang reasons then why live good. So number 1, amazing yung product. Siyempre, pag US-based company yan, walang question yan. High quality po talaga yan. So number 2, incredible yung prices. Alam nyo, marami namang mga high quality products out there. Kaso nga lang, kaya ba ng bulsa? Or kung kaya man, kayang wag i-maintain. Ayun lang, di ba? Okay, so mahal po talaga, mostly sa iba. Pero dito, very affordable. Number 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. Again, wala ditong pilitan bumili ng products. Optional lang po ang pagbibili ng products dito. Ayan, you have that freedom. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So, kumbaga dito, within 90 days pagka nagkaroon ka ng adverse effect with your health or di magandang effect sa health mo, okay, or nagkaroon ng problem dun sa product, so pwede mo isauli yung lalagyan ng product. And no questions asked, ibabalik sa iyo yung pera mo. Number 6, number 1 business to join. So literally, number 1 business to join. Alright? So yan, sa mga nagsasabi na baka mas-scam or what, no? So pwede nyo i-check ito, scamadvisor.com. Tapos type nyo dyan yung, search nyo dyan yung website, no? Ayan, kung totoo ba? Yan, baka sinabi nyo inedit Pag sa scamadvisor.com, tapos type nyo livegood.com. Okay? Ayan, tapos yan, dalabas po dyan yung 100 over 100 na score. So, ibig sabihin, we are safe and, of course, legit. Okay? Ayan. So, para hindi tayo ma-scam agad, no? Ayan. Okay? So, ito naman, pwede kayong bumisita sa Business for Home, where ito po ay parang Forbes magazine ng direct selling, no? Ayan. So, Forbes magazine po ito. So, alam nyo ba na nagkaroon po ng voting. Ayan. Over, imagine nyo, 10,000 votes. Pero, grabe. Bago lang po ito si Live Good. I guess mga around 4 months pa lang po that time, last year. Pero nag-top 5 po si Live Good. Grabe, no? And nag-top 2 po siya, the most trusted direct sales company. Not just that, nagkaroon ulit ng voting, top direct selling company of 2024. So, nag-top 1 po si Live Good. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, trusted kasi ito buong mundo to at ng companies di ba? And itong sobrang kumbaga record ng company, right? Why you should trust and why you should look at our company as a long-term company, because sa first year pa lang ng company, nakapag-payout na po si Live Good ng whopping 50 million USD or around 2.7 2.8 billion pesos. Grabe, no? Payout pa lang yun. Di ba? Walang ibang company nakagawa ng ganun. Live Good lang. Okay? Imaginein mo, sobra pa sa kalahati ng revenue ng company yung na-payout. Ganun ka-generous. Di ba? Kaya, no wonder, sobrang dami po talagang nabago yung buhay all over the globe because of this opportunity. And isa na rin tayo dun. Okay? Sa naka-benefit. Grabe, no? Ganun kalupit. And ano bang mission ni Live Good? Simple lang to. People get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Simple, no? But yet very powerful. Right? So, ngayon, ito, no? Pagsasali kayo sa isang company, you should take a look at what we called 4Ps. Hindi po yung nasa gobyerno 4Ps, ibig sabihin, company profile, product, pricing, and a plan or plan. Profile, sino ba yung mga tao, sino yung tao or mga tao behind the company. Siyempre, kasi sasali ka, magbibigay ka ng effort, we want long-term, tama? Especially, baka meron dito mga floating networker or leaders, no? So, kailangan, titingnan nyo yung mga may-ari, alright? Or yung tao na nagpapatakbo para hindi masasayang effort mo, yung time mo, di ba? Para pang long-term talaga. So, it's good news, okay? Bakit? We are proud to share with you our company owners. Hindi po sila mga kahapon lang ipinanganak. Hindi po tayo pagpapraktisan. Okay? Walang ganun. Kasi sila po, starting from our CEO, Ben Glinsky, he has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Okay? Ayan. So, kumbaga yung CEO pa lang natin, sold out ka na. Why? Marami na po siyang company na tinayo and actually right now still existing and nagpe-payout pa rin actually. Pero ito na po yung main focus niya. Okay? And ito, to tell you, sinabi niya sa video kanina na close to $1 billion na po ang kanyang na-payout na commission. So, ibig sabihin, sobrang dami niya po talagang natulungang tao. Alright? And of course, not just that, he is very transparent and syempre, very hands-on. Maririnig niyo po siya sa ating Zoom webinar. Alright? Every week po yan. Okay? Ganun po. Update sa company, the products, ayan. And mga transparency, nandun po talaga. Okay? Ayan. So, masasabi ko nga ating CEO, with the concept na nagawa itong si Live Good, the whole concept, masasabi kong genius eh. Diba? Genius. Okay, genius po talaga. Masabi ko, itong CEO natin, he is the Albert Einstein of the direct selling industry. Or Jeff Bezos. Or should I say, Elon Musk. Okay? Kasi, as in, genius po talaga. Mamaya i-share ko sa inyo, mas malalaman nyo later on. Okay? And ito naman po, kasama natin ang ating, sa corporate team natin, si Noder Kazan, na siyang ating Director of Field Development. Right? Or Director of Network Marketing. Ayan. So, 30 years na po ang kanyang experience. So, legend na po ito sa industry. And siya po actually yung nag-invite kay Ben, alright, sa industry. So, nakita niya po kung gaano talaga mag-grind and seryoso and gusto yung kapassionate na tumulong po talaga. Alright? Siya rin po nagtutulong sa atin ngayon to educate us. Alright? And very hands-on din po siya. Okay? Imagine nyo, 30 Zoom calls per day. Okay, globally ang kanyang ina-attendan. Okay, and of course with our product side, we also have our Director of Product Development and Product Education. Ang magpartner na si Doc Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. So sila po yung in charge to formulate, to make our products, make sure na high quality, of course USDA, organic, and of course to educate din sa atin. Okay, so syempre din basta-basta. Kaya ating mga nasa product side na mga owners, no? Ayan, sabi pa dito, true leadership creates true success. So, alam niyo ba that Amazon started selling books in 1995? Okay, so actually mga around 1990s din niya rin na i-online ito. Okay, libro din, no? And to tell you now, Amazon sells almost anything under the sun. Okay, so why am I sharing this one? Because dito po sa Live Good, we launched the membership club with the best physician-grade nutritional products. And time will come, Live Good will add products and services from other industries as well. Okay, you name it, solar panel, ayan, skincare, skin cleaning products, even apparel, mga we call this one, mga appliances, or even yung mga hotel booking, ayan, mga ticketing, grabe, as in. Okay, and currently right now, no, according sa ating Director of Product Development, ayan, si Doc Ryan, they are testing actually, alright, they are testing na, kasi club membership po tayo, right? They are testing services. Grabe, ano kaya yun? Kaya abangan po natin. As in, grabe, anything pwedeng i-add dito ng ating company. High quality, but of course, very affordable. Okay? So, now, members save big with our membership model. So, we have over actually, kung na-update to, around 1.3 million na po members globally. Okay? And, of course, still growing. Okay? Alam nyo ba? Ayan, ito, of course, familiar naman tayo with YouTube, tama? YouTube Pro. Right? Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, Disney Plus. So, those are some of samples of membership or certain companies. They have over millions, or should I say hundreds of millions of members already paying monthly or yearly membership. Okay? But to tell you, those are the memberships that don't pay. Nagbabayad yung mga tao dyan, na-enjoy nga yung benefits, manood ng maraming movies, discount sa shop nila, walang ads sa panonood ng video, but wala pong binabalik na kita. Yun lang. Right? And I'm happy to tell you why here in Live Good, we are a membership that pays. Okay? We are a membership that pays. Kaya kung paano, syempre, again, tune in ka, don't tune out, mamaya malalaman. Okay, so we have over 20 life-changing products made in the USA, certified by the GMP and USDA, lab tested for purity and potency. So here are the products that was launched last year, 2023. So we have CBD pain relief cream, energy and sleep patches, collagen peptides, methylene blue, and creatine. Okay, so I won't go dig deep no sa mga product information natin. So you can check out our website na lang, okay, para mas malaman nyo. Okay, yan po yung mga products natin. And we also have na-launch na rin natin essential oils. So ayan, maraming benefits yan for cleaning, for antibacterial, for skin. Ayan, pwedeng ilagay din sa mga humidifier. Ayan. So, marami pa po, no? Maraming benefits yan. And, of course, very affordable. And these are the products that are coming. Actually, itong vitamins for children, na-release na po ito. And weight loss, actually, yung ano natin, yung lean. Yan, so, na-launch na rin po, no? So, grabe. And detox, very soon na rin po yan. Household cleaning products. Okay, abangan po natin. And marami pa. Skincare actually, papalapit na. Ito malupit, 4 po. Alright? 4 po na skincare, ayan, line ng mga products. So, ayan, abangan natin. Grabe. So, marami pa po. Nakapila na po yan sa ating pipeline. Ayan. And the best part nito, kasi mga products natin ay may certificates of analysis. Okay, ito based on my experience kasi nag-research din ako for other companies then ayan, and so far wala po akong nakitang company na publicly pinapakita ang kanilang certificates of analysis. Si Live Good lang po. Okay? Kasi ayan po yung pinapakita yung mga test po eh. And third party yan, hindi yan gawa-gawa ng company. Ibang entity po yung nag-ano niyan, kumbaga nagte-test. Okay, kung meron kang kakilalang mga chemists or pharmacists, so I guess alam nila basahin yan. Okay, kasi baka malaman, di ba, na ay may hindi pala maganda, no? May mga chemical pala dyan na halo. Ayun lang, di ba? So tayo, gano'n tayo confident, naka-public po ito. So you can check out our website www.livegood.com. And nasa pinakababa po, certificates of analysis. You can access all of our certifications, right? Or our tests, okay? Each of the product natin dito. Okay? So, ganun kalupit. And, syempre, hindi lang yan. Our products are also, ayan. So, hindi ko na isa-isahin. That only means na USDA organic, non-GMO, or should I say na organic po talaga. Okay? Na ibig sabihin, walang chemical, insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, or even mga, ayun nga, heavy metals, no? Like lead, right? Like mercury na nahalo. So, organic po talaga. Okay? Na, syempre, once na mag-take ka, magkakaroon ka talaga na magandang effect sa health mo. Alright? So, of course, we have wellness for all. So, syempre, may iba naman tayo ng pangangailangan. We have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Alright? So, syempre, di ba, kumbaga, kung anong kailangan ng health mo, gusto mag-order, so yan, mag-order ka. Alright? So, how do I order product. So, dalawa pa yung nag-order dito. You can order say consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. And pag nag-member ka, you pay much lower prices. Okay? So, ganun kaganda. So, wholesale na siya, mas affordable pa. Oh, ganun kalupit. And, ito rin guys, no, yung sobrang na-appreciate ko. Kasi si Live Good po, available po siya in over 200 plus countries. Grabe. Kasi na-mind blown po talaga ako. Grabe, may ganito palang kumpanya. Kasi mostly, na-research ko mga companies, yung ino-open nilang countries, pa isa-isa, dalawa, tatlo, every year. Diba? May iba available in 30, 50, in 80 countries. Tayo, pagka-launch mismo ng company, open agad in over 200 plus countries. Sabi ko, what? Grabe, may ganito pala. Diba? Ibig sabihin lang yan na magagawa natin yung business, matatanggap natin yung products, and makakapag-payout tayo. Ganon kalupit. Okay? Kaya ikaw, ayan, sa mga networker na dito, ayan, or may mga floating networker dito, yan, syempre yung papapiliin ka, anong mas gusto mo? Syempre, yung local lang, na locally ready lang, expansion, 1, 2, 3 countries at a time lang, or ito na globally ready agad. Alam mo yung potential pag globally ready. Di ba? Okay, so syempre, globally ready, papapiliin mo. Kasi literally, walang saturation. Walang saturation. Buong mundo yung sakop mo eh. Di ba? Ganun kalupit. Alright? So, pag nag-Live Good, pag nag-member ka dito sa Live Good, you save up to 75%. Okay? Savings yan na hindi po yan discount. Compared yan sa products of other companies. Yan. So, meron muna tayong short analogy dito. And so, para mas maintindihan nyo, alam naman po natin yung story ni David and Goliath. Tama. So, si David, pinatumbay si Goliath with just one stone. So, si David po, tayo po yan si Live Good. And yung mga price gouging po, yan po si Goliath. Right? So, again, ito don't get me wrong. So, I'm not sharing this one to bring other companies down, to bash them. So, wala po. Kumbaga, is this just truth? Nothing but the truth. Okay? So, actually, kailangan po yan na mag-price gouge. Ano yung price gouge? Nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products. Okay? Umaabot ng 7, 8, 10, 12, 14 times compared sa paggawa sa pag-manufacture. Right? Actually, kailangan po yan nilang gawin. Why? Kasi doon po magsusurvive yung mga companies. Kasi ganun po nakastructure yung kanilang business model. Pag hindi nila gawin yon, they will die. Okay? Ayan. So, kumbaga, kailangan talaga nila gawin yon kasi pag hindi sila mag-price gouge, syempre, yun nga, walang pang payout, di ba? Kasi doon kukunin yung pang payout ng mga distributors, sa commission, yan, bayad sa mga empleyado, country manager, bayad sa mga artista, advertising, siyempre kita ng company owners, mga promos, and at the same time, yung mga siyempre events, no? Yan, dyan po yung kinukuha sa products. Right? But here's the harsh truth. According sa ating CEO, ito kasi siyempre, siya naman nakakaalam sa statistics. Pag ganun yung concept ng isang company, kasi in-experience niya di ba? And na-research niya rin sa ibang company. 95% pag ganun, 95% make little or no money at all. Less than 1% lang po actually yung kumikita ng full-time income. Ibig sabihin, around 2,000, 3,000 USD. Or sabihin natin 6 figures in pesos. Okay? Ganun po. Ayan. So, yun po yung gusto niyang i-improve. Ayan. Yun po yung gusto niyang i-improve po talaga. Kaya nga, na-create po itong si Live Good. Wherein, dito, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, wala tayong price gouging. Yung commission natin, hindi solely kinuha dun sa products. Actually, kukunti lang yung margin. Kukunti as in talaga, kukunti lang. Kaya sabi ng ating Director of Field Development, si Noder, no? Sabi niya, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yan, maliligay ang araw nila. So, hindi na po yan, lalo sa panahon ngayon. Ang mga tao, naging wise na. People now looking more towards on affordability and value. So, ngayon, quality with the products, okay na. How about the pricing? Tingnan natin, price tayo. Okay, our essential oil, sa ibang company, magkano binibenta? 209 to 250 plus. I won't mention any companies nasa screen nyo naman eh. Sa atin magkano? 49.95. Halos kapresyo niya na yung isang essential oil sa ibang company. Grabe, no? Na-guess nyo. So, ingredients naman. Same, I believe, no? Same, sabi natin same quality, but the best part ito, bakit? Sa iba, binibenta nila 170 to 100 USD. Sa atin magkano? 18 US dollar. Grabe, no? Collagen. Sa iba, binibenta 70 to 80 dollars. Sa atin, 27.95. The creatine, sa iba, 49 to 65 USD. Sa atin, 19.95. Grabe, no? Ganon kalupit. Alright? So, here are the comparison din ng members and retail price natin. Okay? So, hindi ko na po isa-isahin, pero I'll tell you lang ngayon na high quality po yan. And of course, wholesale. Okay? Very affordable. Ayan. Itong multivitamins na, sampulan natin. Pag nag-member ka, magkano? 60 capsules, 500 plus pesos. Grabe! Diba? Ganun kalupit. Okay? So, to tell you, lahat po ng negosyo may evolution. Okay? So, this just to open you up, no? Diba? Like, pag-access natin information, dati newspaper, radio, TV, mga gadget na right now, laptop, smartphone, diba? Meron na ngayon yung bago, nilalagay na lang sa mata. Diba? Parang ka na, nasa hangin na lang, di ba? Nagta-type. Di ba? Nagta-tap. Di ba? So, ganun din sa pagbibili natin, barter, market, supermarket, right now, e-commerce. Di ba? Amazon, eBay, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Meron na yung bago, yung Temu. Ayan. Ang dami. Nako, ang dami na. Sobra. No? And same goes with the business model, okay, index selling. Old multi-level system, breakaway system. No? Nag-evolve, binary multiple heads. Paramihan ng account, palaki ng package. Nag-evolve ulit, by hybrid binary na. Multi-level system, stair-step, unilevel. But same story pa rin yan sila. Price gouging. Yung commission, dun pa rin kinuha sa products we're in. Dun nagsisimula yung pahirap. Right? And here in LiveGood, we are an affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Okay? So, evolution po talaga. Kasi time and time, nagturo na po sa atin na kung sino mga napag-adapt, yun talaga yung mag-thrive. Yung hindi na nakapag-adapt, ay, yun talaga yung ma-extinct. Diba? Tingnan nyo na lang, di ba nangyari sa Nokia? Diba? Great example. Hindi sila kapag-adapt na mag-touchscreen. Kasi dumating si iPhone tsaka si Samsung. Nag-take over touchscreen phone. What happened? What happened to Nokia? Yes, they are still alive. They're still existing, but hindi na ganoon kakilala. Di ba? Di ba? Yung Blockbuster. Di ba? Nag-ano rin yun, nagpaparenta ng VHS, ng DVDs. Same with Netflix. Ganoon, nagpaparenta rin sila. Ang pinagkaiba lang, si Netflix nag-adapt online. Si Blockbuster, hindi. Di ba? Ang nangyari, si Netflix, yun, talagang lumipad. Ano pa? Yung camera, ayan, si Kodak. Di ba? Usong-uso dati yung film camera, tama. Dumating si Sony. Nag-take over ng tinatawag na digital camera. Di ba? What happened to Kodak? Di ba? So, kumbaga in short, pag hindi sila mag-adapt sa trend ngayon, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? What happened to those people who got extinct might happen to them. Okay? Ayan. So, ito na po yung makabago ngayon. Sabi pa ni Asher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. Yun lang talaga. Okay? So, ano bang mga, kumbaga, trend ngayon? Pinagkakaguluhan, pinag-uusapan, subscription. And actually, baka ikaw nga, nanonood ngayon, nagsusubscribe ka na, marami ka ng subscription. Kaso nga lang, hindi ka kumikita. Yun lang. Diba? So, ano ba yung subscription na yan? Okay, simple natin, recurring revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly. Papalitang products or services. Alright? So, good example nito, pagka may naglo-load ka, nababayad ka ng kuryente, ng tubig mo, ng internet, ayan. Okay, so, syempre, nababayad ka monthly, and then may benefits. Tama. Kung ayaw mo na, di ka mababayad, di ka papakancel mo. Di ba? Customer can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. So, bakit ito importante? Kasi na-enjoy natin yung importance and of course, yung subscription, yung benefits. Diba? And it creates customer loyalty and strong customer base. Mga tao, nag-stay talaga kasi nga, syempre ayaw natin mawalan, di ba? Syempre, sa panahon ngayon, ayaw natin mawalan ng kuryente, tubig, internet. Di ba? So, anong advantage ito? It lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your product. So, in short, hindi na binasadong pinagkakitaan yung products or services. And dyan bumabawi sa subscription. Ayun. Okay, ano pa ibang mga sample like Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, Vio, Viva Max. Ayan. So, iFlix, ayan, Discovery Plus, and many more. Monthly yan nagbabayad or even yearly. Yung gym, ayan, makikita nyo, di ba? O sa mga naka-enroll ng gym, monthly or yearly din nagbabayad yan. Tama, para ma-enjoy mo yung facilities doon sa loob ng gym. O familiar tayo sa insurance and mga life plans. Yan, mga security plans, di ba? Nagbabayad tayo na monthly yan or yearly. Para in case na may mga mangyaring hindi maganda or may matsogi. So, may mga pang benefits. Alright? So, gaano kalaki itong subscription industry? Alam niyo ba gaano kalaki ito? In next year, 2025, aabot po ito ng 2 trillion USD. Grabe. Ganon kalaki. Imagine mo, makikihati tayo sa laki niyan. Alupit talaga. Sampulan natin. Ano ba yung mga sample ng mga, mga companies, mga subscription companies? Alright? Netflix. Alright? Netflix. Ayan. Generated 33.7 billion revenue in 2023. Okay? Ayan. So, kumbaga, grabe, ganun kalaki. Okay? Ganun kalaki ang na-generate na revenue. Okay? Revenue ni Netflix. Diba? Magkano binabayaran? Diba? Magkano binabayaran? 300 to 500. Pero di namamalayan ng tao na payaman na pala si Netflix. Okay? Ayan. Itong Zoom. Ayan. Si Zoom po, grabe, no? Makikita nyo. Yung revenue niya, palaki ng palaki, di ba? Na-enjoy natin yung mahabang pag-uusap. Ayan. And, kumbaga, na-enjoy natin, like ito, di ba? Unlimited yung maraming makaka-join. Di ba? Tingnan nyo man revenue, palaki ng palaki. Mabuto ng 4.3 billion. Di ba? How about the Amazon Prime? Ayan, 35.22 billion annual revenue from subscription pa lang. And Costco. Alright? Si Costco, tingnan nyo naman, di ba? Talagang lipad, skyrocket ang kanilang revenue. Okay? Nagbabayad yung mga tao para ma-enjoy yung benefits na offer nila. And kaso nga lang, walang binabalik sa mga members na kitaan. Yun lang. or share. Alright? Or earnings. Di ba? Pero right now, what if what if may isang company right now na same concept, subscription, you can enjoy the highest quality products and of course very affordable, but this time bibing ka naman ng share or dividend. Ayan. Kung tanong, gusto mo bang tingnan ito? Gusto mo malaman to? Ayan. So tatanungin kita, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayan. Okay. Alright, so ngayon, for those interested in earning with LiveGood, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright, so ngayon, kung gusto mong malaman, kung paano ba yung kitaan dito. Okay, paano ba ma-maximize to? Yan, isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon. Alright, so ngayon, paano ba makapag-start or magkano para maging affiliate member? Okay, so dalawa pa yung option natin, pwede tayo mag-monthly or yearly. Sa monthly po, $40 plus 9.95, kaya 49.95 sa first month. Okay? So, mga around approximately to 950 po. More or less. Okay? Kung gusto mo mag-annual, may libre kang 2 months, mga around 139.95. Or, mga sa in peso, mga around 8,200 plus. Or less. Okay? Depende sa exchange ngayon. Okay? So, yan po. So, if I were you, kung gusto mo makatipid, I suggest mag-annual. Okay? And at the same time, at least wala ka nang isipin monthly, ayan, ma-annual ka na. Alright? So, ngayon, ano bang mga common benefits? Yan, may iba nang tatanong, meron ba yung physical product agad? Ayan. Oh. So, ngayon, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, wala po. Okay? Straight to the point, wala pong physical product. Kasi nga, club membership po tayo. Alright? So, ano bang nakuha natin dito? Access to membership club. Right? Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng products natin and soon mga services po. Right? Ma-access nyo po dito. High quality and affordable. Digital marketing products. Ayan. So, lahat po dito, meron tayong website. Ma-access nyo po yan. Kasama po yun sa binabayaran natin. And of course, you can participate in the compensation plan. Okay? Ayan. And, of course, you'll be paid via direct deposit, iPayout, or BitPay. Alright? So, we have these websites. Ayan. Retail site. Okay? So, maganda dito kasi hindi ka lang binigyan ng isa. Right? Binigyan ka po ng, binigyan ka ng 5 website actually. Alright? Retail site. So, e-com plus dropshipping ready na tayo. Okay? Ibig sabihin, in over 200 plus countries, pag sinesend mo yung link mo, mag-order sila, matatanggap po nila. Company na po bahala mag-ship, mag-pack, mag-olekta ng bayad. Alright? We also have this Powerline landing page. Right? Wherein dito po tayo nagpapa-member, nag-reserve position, corporate site, ayan, wherein andyan po yung information about the company and yung landing page naman po, Super Greens and Super Reds. Alright? So, dyan po yung may product explainer and of course, andyan din po yung syempre pag gusto natin mag-order or yung customer natin, mag-order sila, nandyan lang po sa baba, order now. Alright? So, now, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Alright? So, very exciting po talaga. Okay? So, ang natin dito, Complan powered by a powerful Unilevel and Force Matrix. Dalawa lang po. Okay? Para hindi ka malito. Ayan. Unilevel and Force Matrix. So, paano ba yan? Okay? So, we have these 8 ways to earn. So, hindi tayo mag-focus sa iba dito. Mga 4 ang focus natin. Weekly fast start, matching, matrix, and mga bonus pools. And the others po, bonus po yan sa atin. Alright? So, quick money or fast start. In layman's term, this is direct referral. So, simple lang. Pag meron kang nare-refer, na-register sa link mo, meron kang 50%. Guys, this is 50% sa monthly, first mo na monthly na membership mo. Alright? And affiliate fee. That is $25. Diba? 50 divide to. So, $25. Diba? And dalawang tao lang. Imagine mo, dalawang tao lang, bawi ka na kaagad. Ayan, sa puhunan mo, grabe, no? Oh, wala kang ibang company nakita na ganun. Ito lang. Ganun kalupet. Alright? And ngayon, pag nakapag-refer ka ng, let's say, 4, no? Sa isang week or sabihin natin in 2 weeks or in your first week, sabihin natin, the following week, ibibigay sa'yo $100 USD. Diba? So, kung nag-monthly ka, may pang-upgrade ka na for yearly. Ipunin mo lang to, wag mong gastuhin. Upgrade ka na. Alright? And ngayon, infinite wide naman po ito and 10 levels deep. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, unlimited. Pwede nating i-refer and meron tayong tinatawag na rank up. Pag nag-rank up tayo, mas malalim. Mas malaki, syempre, pwede natin kitain. Alright? So, ngayon, pag pagka nag-rank up, ayan, paano ba mag-rank up? Ayan, pag nag-rank up tayo, like for example, this bronze, may up to 2nd level ka na. So, ilan ba yung kailangan na bronze? At least 2. O, ganun. Ganun kahirap. 2 lang. Diba? O, tapos, pag silver naman, dito walang back to 0. Alright? Walang back to 0. So, yung 2 mo, dagdagan mo lang ng 18. So, 20 na. Ayan. So, silver rank ka na. Right? And 10, or di kaya 10 directs plus team of 20 or 3 over the Rex na nag-bronze plus team of 20. Alright? And gold rank naman up to 6 levels. Right? 30 directs naman to, team of 100. Or di kaya 3 over the Rex nag-silver plus team of 100. Or 4 over the Rex, take the 30 yung tatlong leg mo. Yung isa may 10, team of 100, gold na. Platinum ramp up to 8 levels. 100 Rex naman to, up to total team of 500. 3 of the Rex at least, no, na nag-gold plus team of 500. Or 4 of the Rex, team 150, isa 50, team 500, platinum rank ka na. Alright? And diamond naman, up to 10th levels, 3 over the Rex, at least na nag-platinum, no? And team of 25, Or di kaya 5 over direct sa may tig 500 plus team of 2, 5. Alright? And ayan po. Crown Diamond naman, which is ito po yung ano natin, one of the highest rank. Ayan. So, ito na po actually yung highest curty right now, no, as per I'm doing this presentation. So, at least 50,000 na total team. 5 over directs na at least may tig 10,000. Ayan, Crown Diamond. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung sample computation. Kasi baka isipin mo na, small time lang yan. Di ba? Kasi maliit yung puhunan. Di ba? O, di yan mapabili yung pangarap ko. O, tingnan natin, sampulan natin. Alright? So, pag nag-ano tayo, nag-compute tayo, power of 5, no? Power of 5. Sabihin ka, at least 5, refer mo. O, pag na-refer ka ng 5, alright? Total income mo actually, alright? Aabot po ng, up to, pagka kasi na-duplicate yan yung 5, nag-refer ng tigli 5, nag-25, 125, diba? So, syempre, konti pa lang yan, pero as you go by, ayan, so walang time frame. Okay, walang time frame to. Alright? So, up to, ayan, level 10, so, total na pwede mong kitain is 6M USD. Magkano yan? 349 million pesos. Grabe, no? Ito pa lang. I-share mo lang, tuturuan lang natin, i-guide natin yung team. Yan yung pwede mong, kitain. Grabe, no? Ganun kalupit. Di ba? Oh. So, yung iba naman, syempre, meron dito mas masipag. Oh, di ba? Oh, nagre-refer talaga. Let's say 30. Okay? Oh, power of 30. Oh, di ko na tinapos up to 4th level lang, 2M. Pwede na ba? Or 119 million pesos. Grabe, no? Kahit pa mangyari to, at least sabi natin 10 years, worst 10 years. Ang tanong, sulit pa rin ba? Of course, sulit na sulit pa rin. Grabe, no? So, possible pa yung sinasabi na mag-direct ng 5, mag-direct ng 30? Yes, of course. Yan naman po yung top 10 natin. Alright? Oh, yung top 10 natin, di ba yung top 1, 2,510. So, hindi ko na po ito na-update. Okay, yung top 10 natin, 502. Grabe. Di ba? Kaya yung 5, yung 30, kayang-kaya po talaga. Alright? So, ngayon, andito naman po tayo sa retirement money or matrix commissions. Ayan. Sa matrix naman po, ano po ito? Kumbaga, lahat po tayo nalagay sa isang malaking matrix. Okay? And ngayon, system po yung naglalagay ng tao sa baba natin. Right? So ngayon, pag nalalagyan po tayo ng tao, it's either invite mo or invite ang nasa taas mo. Pag nagsusubscribe na yan, di ba may subscription tayo 9.95? Magkano kikitain mo? 0.25 cents. Magkano yan? Around 14 pesos. Kaya retirement money ito kasi mas ma-appreciate mo siya in the long run. Okay? It can take up to 2, 3, 4, or even 5 years or so. Okay? Ayan. So, basta kahit sino dyan, basta may tao na susubscribe, may 0.25 cents ka. Alright? So, paano ba na-fill yung matrix natin? Makikita mo dyan, ikaw. Alright? So, meron dyan malalagay sa left mo and sa right. So, sa first level mo, 0.50 cents kikitain mo. Sa second level naman, lalagay dito. Ayan, $1. Ayan, $2. Pag nalalagyan na yan, may 8 na katao, may 16, $4, and so on. Okay? So, yan po yung retirement money. And dito, sasabihin ko po sa inyo, kahit wala ka pang na-refer, yes, pwede ka pa rin kumita. Pero, here's the catch. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. Okay? Pag unrank ka, that means isa or wala ka pang na-refer, pag nalalagyan ka ng tao, yun nga, kikita ka ng 0.25 cents or 14 pesos. Okay? Kaya retirement money siya. Ngayon, pag nag-rank up ka, i-workout mo to. Rank up ka, 4,000, na dumodoble yung yung possible na pwede mo na kitain sa matrix. Yung 2,000, pwede mag 4,000, 8,000, up to 16,000. Depending on your levels. Okay? So, ngayon, why are we encouraging na mag-refer kaysa maghintay ng spillover? Maghintay ka na, malagyan ka ng tao. Okay? Kasi pag nag-refer ka, sabi natin, nakapag-refer ka ng isa, kikitain mo $25. In the following week po yan may bibigay sa'yo. Weekly. One time. Every week. Basta may marirefer ka. Alright? Whereas, pag naghihintay ka ng spillover, monthly yun po ibibigay in your third month onwards. Okay? Kailangan mo ng 100 katao. Okay? 100 katao. Total of 100. Okay? Ang tanong, ikaw lang ba yung lalagyan? Siyempre, hindi. Diba? So, ngayon, mas maganda, mag-refer po talaga. So, kung napag-refer ka naman ng dalawa, meron kang $50. $50 kikitain mo. So, ngayon, kung spillover naman pag natin, babasihan, kung gusto mo wait lang, kaya mo ng 200 katao para kumita ng same amount sa pag-refer ng dalawang tao. $50. Total of 200 people. Diba? Ang tanong, ikaw lang ba lalagyan? Siyempre, hindi. Pati rin yung iba na nauna sa'yo. Diba? Kaya, guys, siyempre, pag nakapag-start kayo, we encourage na i-workout po natin talaga. Hindi lang tayo maghintay. Bonus na lang po yan. Alright? So, ito rin po yung nami-miss natin pag hindi tayo nag-refer, the wealthy money, which is the matching bonus. Hindi po ito left and right, ha? Itong matching bonus, ito po talaga na mind-blown kami. Ako mismo, no, na time na discover po to. Sabi ko, grabe, may ganito palang comban. Diba? Yung matching bonus kasi, monthly bonus to. Okay? Kung magkano kinikita ang direct mo, kasi lahat tayo may matrix, tama. May matrix ka, lahat ng direct mo may matrix. Regardless kung saang position sila, lahat tayo may matrix. So, kung magkano kinikita nila, may 50% ka. Grabe. Diba? So, for example, ikaw, na-refer mo si Pedro, commit, trabaho talaga niya. May mga subscribers under sa kanya, ang dami. Kumita siya ng 1,000 USD, sa'yo 500 USD. Si Juan, kumita ng 500, sa'yo 250. Si Maria, na-refer mo, kumita ng 100, may 50 ka. Si Marites, instead na kapitbahay, chichismis, live good na lang, kumikita pa. Magkano sa'yo? 200 sa kanya, sa'yo 100. Ito matindi. Hindi yan ibabawas sa kita nila. Company rin mismo yan magbibigay niyan sa'yo. Ganon kalupit. Ang malupit pa niyan kasi infinite wide, unlimited. Hindi ka pipigilang mag-direct as many as you can. Di ba? Ganon katindi. Infinite. Mas marami matutulungan natin na kumita, mas malaki ang matching natin. Kaya dito, it's a matter of helping others po talaga. Alright? So ngayon, pagka maganda dito sa ating matching bonus kasi hindi ka lang limited sa direction mo kundi sa entire team niya. Yes, you heard it right. Pag sa example, nag-diamond ka, sabihin natin sa 5th level mo may nag-diamond. It can be yung first generation. Sa 10th level mo may nag-diamond ulit. It can be your second generation. So hindi ka lang limited. Ayan, sa mga directs mo lang, pati sa buong grupo niya. Ganun kalupit. Diba? So right now, ito pag nakapag-start kayo, we encourage na at least mag-refer ka. Family mo muna. Okay? At least dalawa family member mo. Hindi mo man may lahat mapa-join as dalawa. Why? Kasi pag napuno yung matrix nyo, kayo tatlo, ang kikitain mo sa matrix, you as a bronze, 4,095.50. How about your family member? Around 2,047.50, kaya 4,095. Yung income nila sa matrix. So, syempre, may matching ka sa kanila. Tama. Kayong dalawa. May 2,047 ka 0.50. Combine of them both. Right? So, magkano yan? 10,000 plus USD. 10,238. Or 500,000 pesos every single month. That is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Every single month. Grabe, no? Diba? So, kailan ito mangyayari? Depende. It can take up to 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 years. Pero kahit 10 years, guys, sulit pa rin yan. Bakit? Sa pagtatrabaho nga natin, ang tanong, 10 years, 15, 20, 30 years na tayo, kumita ba tayo ng ganun? Hindi naman, dama. Diba? Kaya if 10 years man yan, sabihin natin worst 10 years, sulit pa rin po yan. Alright? Gets nyo? Okay. So, ito naman, 20 direct referral. Alright? So, syempre, kung workout mo lang din naman, di ba, might as well, mag-refer ka ng mas marami. Like 20. Di ba? So, pag mapuno yung matrix nila lahat, so, meron kang, kikita sila 2,047.50. So, may matching ka na 1,000 plus USD, magkano sa'yo 20,475. Or that is 1.1. Imagine mo, kahit simpleng nanay, kayang gawin to eh. Kumikita ng 1.1 million monthly income. That is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Every single month. Grabe, no? Imagine mo, ang daming kumikita sa atin ng ganito. Grabe, kaya ito talaga, sobrang dami po talaga mababago yung buhay. Diba? Simpleng nanay. Hindi kailangang magyabang. Simple nga lang eh, diba? Oh, pero ang laki ng kinikita, 7 figures a month. Grabe, no? Oh, here's the vision, guys. Here's the vision. Ang vision natin dito, at least 100 na solid direct. Ano daw? 100. That means na yung 100 na yan is solid diamond. Okay? Diamond rank po sila. So, pag napuno kasi yung matrix nila, 16,000 plus USD kikitain. So, magkano yung sa'yo? 8,000 plus USD kikitain mo per diamond directs mo. Alright? So, ngayon, magkano yan total sila lahat? O, darating yung time, kikita ka ng 819.75 USD. Diba? Darating yung time, may kumikita, taga-live good ng 45 million pesos monthly income. That is month after month, after month, after month, after month, after month income. Grabe, no? Imagine nyo, kahit 5 million na lang nagagastos isang buwan. Yung 40, di ba? Yung kalahati, sabihin natin, may tutulong natin for charity, di ba? Pagpapatayo ng, sabihin na lang natin, kumbaga compound for homeless, for home for the aged. Grabe, no? As in, sobrang dami natin tutulungan. Even government, syempre, babayad tayo ng tax eh. Diba? Laki ng tax natin. Syempre, laki ng kinikita eh. Diba? Life-changing po talaga. Darating yung time is not just about earning. It's about helping maraming tao. Diba? Diba? O vision natin, another vision, gawin nating first world country, ang Pilipinas, dahil may live good na. Oo, grabe, no? Tapos marami ang uuwing OFW. For good, because of this opportunity. Diba? So, yun po yung vision. So, hopefully, sana nakakatch nyo, no? Kasi, hindi po lahat nabibiyayaan po ng gift of vision, eh. Alright? Ayan. Negets nyo po. Ayan. So, moving forward, no, grabe, as in, mind blown po talaga. Alright? Yan po yung future natin. Okay? So, here's another way of earning wherein ito po yung retail commission up to 10 levels deep. Okay? So, that means na, may 50% bonus of the difference between the member price and the retail price. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, for example, yung product natin, mayroon siyang tubo na $6. So, mangyari, pag nakabenta ka niyan, maghahati yan. Maghahati kayo ng company. 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. So, infinite wide din and top to 10 levels deep. And influencer bonuses naman, pagka influencer ka, marami kang followers, di ba? Magla-live ka. No? So, ngayon, for example, hit mo yung quota na 50,000 USD. So, may 50% ka. Okay? So, yung 50% na yun, additional. So, pwede ibigay sa'yo lahat. In short, for example, nabenta mo yung isang specific product, di ba? Kanina, naghati, di ba? 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. Tama. No. So, ngayon, pag na-hit mo yung quota na yan, what will happen? Hindi na po 3-3. Ang $6 na buo, ibibigay sa'yo na dyan sa 50,000 na yan. Alright? Ganun po, ganun kalupit. Ayan. So, customer acquisition naman, pag yung direct members natin nag-place ng first order ng products nila, so, yan, it will be paid out as a customer acquisition bonus. Infinite wide din and up to 10 levels deep. And ito po yung ating inaasam po talaga. Diba? The ultimate goal. Alright? Which is the piece of the pie money, the diamond bonus pool. So, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamonds. Okay? Ayan. So, kumbaga, 2% po. Okay, 2% na kumbaga sales ng buong company. For example, may 15M USD. Yun na sales ng company times 2%, 300,000 USD lahat. So, sabihin natin may 60 pa lang na diamond. Paghatian lahat ng diamond is 5,000 USD. Grabe, no? On top yan, ha? On top of the earnings they got. Alright? Oh, so, ito naman, rich and famous money. right? The Crown Diamond bonus pool, 0.5% naman of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all Crown Diamonds. Alright, so 15M USD, so 0.5%, so 75,000 divide the 2 Crown Diamonds. As of now, no, 2 Crown Diamonds, so 37.5 thousand USD. Grabe, yun yung pinaghahatian. Ganun kalaki. Lupit, no? Ayan, yan po yung isa sa mga, of course, ultimate goal natin. So, yan, ito po yung mga proof na may kumikita na po sa atin dito. Alright, and kasama na rin po tayo dyan. Okay, so in 13 months time, may naka-hit na po ng 7 figures in USD na earnings. And next time, din na po in 13 months, it will happen every single month. May kumikita ng gano'n. Okay, that is the vision. Alright, but disclaimer again ha, hindi po porket na gano'n yung mga kinikita, gano'n din kagad. In 3 months, 4 months, isipin mo, gano'n din kikitain mo. So, depende po yan. Okay, pero yan po yung future. Yan, alright. So, we've good now as, di ko na po dito, around 1.3M in time. And breaking records po talaga to. Why? Ito isang company, 30 years na, 260 plus thousand pa lang yung members. Grabe, no? And tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan. Okay, 1.3M subscribers global. So, yung natin, vision, 10M subscribers sa tip of the iceberg. Yung mega structure, around 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. Anong projection natin? Around 3 to 5 million subscribers will be joining in before the year ends, December 2024. And ngayon, ito sa mga first-timers, no, this is the perfect time para makapagsimula. You know, if you've been praying for an opportunity, baka ito na yung sign ni Lord sa'yo. Okay? And syempre, kung nag-isip ka na kung may mawala sa'yo, diba? Come think of this. Ano pang mawawala sa'yo kung wala ka na? Sige nga. Diba? Ang buhay subok-subok lang. Hindi mo malalaman isang bagay kung para sa'yo kung hindi ka magta-try. Especially kung legit naman. Diba? Kung walang dapat ikabahala. Diba? So, I'm not saying this one to encourage, you know, para mapa-join ka lang, alright? Or encourage you. So, kasi at the end of the day, ka pa rin yung magko-convince sa sarili mo eh. Okay? So, I'm just telling you na kung ano yung pwede mangyari sa'yo dito. Okay? So, if you join, we'll welcome you. But if you don't want to, we're still friends. Pero sayang, no? Kasi we believe that this plane of opportunity will surely fly. Okay? Para itong bullet train. Train na lang mismo. Diba, dadaan yan, bubukas. Sasakay ka o hindi, aandar yan. So, ngayon, pag hindi ka sasakay sa bullet train na to, mabilis to. Diba? In a blink of an eye, magto-2M, magte-3M, 4, 5, 10M, 20, 30, 50M na members globally. Kasi ikaw hindi pa part ng Live Good. Ang dami nang nababago yung buhay, diba? Kumikita ng maganda, nagpapatayo ng bahay, ng properties, bumibili ng sasakyan, nakapag-travel ng iba't ibang bansa, yet, ikaw nagdududa pa rin. Diba? So, pagdudahan mo lang din yung duda mo. Diba, baka malay mo, ito na, yung opportunity na hinihintay at pinagpipray mo. Alright, so with that, again, welcome kung makapagsimula ka na, and aralin mo, bilisan mo aralin. Pag naaral mo na, pagtulungan natin. Okay, isa ako sa tutulong sa'yo through the help, you know, through this presentation. Okay, so plug in mo lang yung mga invites nyo. Kami na po yung bahala magpaliwanag sa kanila. Alright, so with that, here are the top 5 reasons why you should join this amazing company. Number 1, which is officially launched globally. So, kaya nang sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Sa first 2 years ng company, kaya very timing. Okay, kasi mostly pagka, you know, yung isang US company na pupunta sa Pinas, mostly, matagal na 5, 10, 15 years na, 20 years. Diba? Pero ito, kabago-bago. We are blessed. Okay, number 2, high quality, very affordable health products. Okay, so sinabi ko na yun kanina, and marketing system, tools, and training. So, almost everything is provided. The Zoom, the websites, landing pages, support system, halos lahat, no? Pinrovide na. Kailangan mo na lang aralin at gagawin. Okay, number 4, simple, powerful, lucrative, and I can say, a very generous pay plan. Okay? Kasi grabe po talaga. Hindi ko ma-imagine, no, na ganun kalaki na payout ng company, ganun kalaki na pwede kitain. Diba? Oh, tapos, anyone can do it. Yun yung the best part. And of course, number 5, successful, fun, and winning team. Alright, so, ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Okay, if I were you, B and A, di ba? Become an affiliate member. Di ba? Kasi wasting time, mag-B and C, wasting time lang yan. Right, get back with the person that invited you, let them know if in A, B, or C. So ito guys, no, before I finish my presentation, I'll leave you with this one verse. Sabi dito sa Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Now guys, if you really believe that God has set you a good future, so pero sa tingin mo hindi pa yan nangyayari, baka ito na yung sign ni Lord sa iyo. Nilid ka niya dito. Kasi hindi naman siya bababa para sabihin mo, anak, yan na. Ginamit ko si Polano, di ba? Ginamit ko si Juan, si Maria para ilagay ka dyan. Trabahoin mo lang. Hindi ganon, okay? Gagamit siya ng tao sa instrument. Diba? Paniwalaan mo. Always remember that faith without work is dead. Kung naniniwala ka man, pero hindi ka naman nagte-take action, wala pa rin yan. Useless. Okay? So, you must put an action on it. Diba? If you really believe talaga, aralin mo kagad to. Pag naaral mo, pagtulungan natin. Alright? So, thank you so much, everyone. Get back with the person that invited you. And again, maraming salamat and hopefully you found value.